Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring a reliable source to restore from, because disk utility will only write what you choose. Once backups are confirmed, shut down and boot into Mac OS recovery using Command+R. Use Option+Command+R for internet recovery if needed. Make sure your external drive is connected and shows in disk utility. This avoids mistakes later. While in recovery, choose Disk Utility now. Selecting the correct target volume first prevents accidental erasure. So pause and verify device names, and you now erase the destination disk to create a clean target. Pick apps for recent Mac OS or Mac OS Extended for older systems, and set GUID partition map. Once formatted, choose Restore in Disk Utility or use Restore from Backup if using a disk image or Time Machine snapshot. This clones file structures and permissions. While restoring, watch the progress bar and look for errors. If the process pauses, check cables and available free space. After completion, confirm the volume mounts and shows expected size. Once the data is restored, you may need to reinstall Mac OS if system files were not part of the clone. Choose Reinstall Mac OS in recovery and follow prompts. Then restart and hold Option to confirm boot volume selection. If the Mac won't boot, run Disk Utility First Aid on the new volume and reset NVRAM or SMC. These steps clear firmware states that can block startup. If the restore fails, test another cable or port. Verify the backup disk integrity, or use target disk mode to salvage data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.